Hi you guys, so today I am going to be showing you my do-it-yourself Christmas garland. So I got the idea because I went shopping and they were all like $20, $40, $50 and that was not in my budget. So I found this at Michael's, $4. That sounds like, what I want to pay for it. Then I found the snow. Um, Technically they say it's not for flocking, but it was for this purpose, and I think that was like $3. No, it was 5, but I had a coupon, so $3. And then here I'm just spreading it out because it's been packaged so long, and then that also helps to get an even coat. Make sure you put something down to cover your carpet. So I don't think it stains, but when it dries it is flaky, and so you don't want to get that everywhere. When you first spray it, it does look like it's kind of thick, but when it dries it's kind of thin. So I would suggest doing maybe 2-3 coats, but make sure you let the first coat dry first. When I did it, I only did one, but that's because I guess I was rushing. And I got these ornament pins from the Dollar Tree. They came in a pack. There were like 100 of them in there for $1. And so I used them for my tree, and I had plenty left over. And so I just used that to wrap the ornaments around the garland. Okay, I'll be honest. I'm not really sure what this is, but I found it at the Dollar Tree. So they had gold, silver, and red, and I think I bought gold and red, and so I kind of cut it and stuck the pan through it and wrapped it around. So they were pretty. I like them because they were shiny, but this is your garland, so you can put whatever you want, whether it's pine cones, and I also added some snowflakes. I forgot to get a picture of those, but just kind of adding different ornaments and fixing it up the way that you like. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you like this video. And at me at @thecurltakeover_ if you do try this. Good luck and happy holidays.